That's
Can
what
you
we
sew your
thought.
mouth shut?
Now smash it.
Aw.
Yeah, it was.
If you ask me.
Well, what can you do now?
Now we can get it all in there.
Awesome, Dre.
Yeah, it's just gonna do like some pop rocks. Now smash it.
There's glass. He doesn't want glass in this part of the yard.
I'll smash.
What's that shit that you thought about putting in there the other day?
Oh, the sodium benzoate?
Yeah.
Let's find out what happens when you mix sodium benzoate. It's a food preservative. It shouldn't do anything.
It's mostly water.
But I got a feeling it's highly basic.
I'm gonna go get something out of my car real quick.
Here. No, there's water in the washing machine. Nothing.
It's bubbling. There is a little bit of baking soda in that. See, it's bubbling in little parts.
Yay! Cool.
All right.
I give that a 3. Yeah.
Yeah. It was anticlimactic.
What's the opening ceremony ever?
Blow his.
As we said.
I'm gonna get some water.
You gave me an unrealistic interpretation of love, fucker.
Actually, you made it okay to stop one.
I said
What the
nothing.
hell?
All
It's just a freaking
All
stop.
right, guys, something crazy and dangerous is about to happen. All right. So, if you have masks, I put them down.
You mean on?
That too.
Ready?
Watch, Neil.
I don't think it's gonna blow. You don't think it's gonna blow? It's got gasoline in it. I'm not saying it's not gonna fit.
Run!
It never does, man. Aaron's tried to make like 5 bombs.
Oh no, it doesn't do anything.
That's good.
It probably didn't even hit any of the gasoline. Gasoline in itself is flammable, but it isn't fumes that is a vapor.
Go ahead, Dan. Go hit it with the axe.
It's been in there for like 20 minutes. 15
Go make it
minutes.
explode. You can cut that.
I did that one time with a can of hairspray. Maybe we should open the top and throw them all over.
What?
Fuck with it. What's he doing?
He flew.
Dan, you realize that you can't just stick a lighter in there.
Let him!
Find something big.
He played with propane.
Like, we gotta bust the top open, but if we throw a Molotov
better
at it.
than-
Yeah, let me do a Molotov on it.
Let's do a Molotov.
Yeah, like open it up, throw a Molotov in there.